Today on Lone Star Grills, we're making one of the internet's favorite appetizers, smoked cream cheese. And we're going to show you how to make it next level with the precision and consistency of our Lone Star Grillz pellet smoker. So if you're ready for this one, please show your support by hitting that like button, and let's go. We're using 2 blocks of cream cheese today and a 10-inch cast iron skillet. For presentation and texture, we're going to begin by making crosshatch marks on both blocks. Add some dried onion flake for added texture to one block, along with our LSG Texas Bold. And be sure to cover as much of the outside surface as possible. For our sweet version, just cover the outside well with brown sugar and cinnamon. Now let's head outside and fire up our pellet smoker. Our target temperature today is 180 degrees Fahrenheit, running very low temperatures safely and reliably while producing clean, thin blue smoke is the signature of a properly designed pit and just one of the things that makes our pit stand out from the rest. It's also a key part in getting the best results for this recipe. Once you're fully preheated, get your cream cheese on the pit, close the lid, and allow it to soak up some beautiful smoke. We're going to let this go for about 3 hours. Having tested this recipe several times, this time and temperature will produce the best results. The cream cheese will warm slowly, keep its shape, and have plenty of time to soak up that good, clean smoke without any bitterness. This will give a crisp, sheen layer on the outside that's unmistakable with every bite. And your family and friends are gonna love it. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget that if you've got questions on any of our products at any time, just give us a call or check out our links below. We'll see you on the next one.